Hey, baby, hi. Go, You're gonna give yourself whiplash. Do you like that? Do you like it? Yeah. Go. You're so mad. Huh. You are too funny. Are you getting your workout? Good. You'll sleep good. What's baby?
Fellow American, this will be the last time I dress you.
I got the dirty look.
Shut
up, motherfucker!
You're not allowed, Cop.
Catastrophe has struck our nation.
Huh. I know, right? Well, we need to get you ones with grippies on the bottom.
Today, none of us are strangers. Today,
Uh-huh.